Okay, so I thought I'd show you a little bit about my newsletter. So if I go to show all here, I can head over to newsletter. See, that's down to 86.7% down the past few days, just because upon initial release, all my contacts were messaged about my newsletter on market intelligence in the field of data and AI, and that is why there was an initial huge adoption, and since then it's slightly dropped off. So you'll see this here on the graph. You see huge uptake, lots of subscribers, and then gradually slight drop off as you'd expect. So let me just show you my newsletter. Okay, so here we go. AI Engineering Insights in Intelligence in 2026. So now we have it, and as you can see, so I've done this for a number of reasons. One, to offer insights into the industry, show valuable key content that users might want to see. There's also candidates in the market can see whether they're underpaid or overpaid, whether they might potentially think to leave. So it's a disruptive technique in sales too, and it's also good for prospective candidates to learn what areas are good to learn moving forwards for their next job, where the opportunities lie in the market, as well as what graduates look to, what they need to be learning to land their next position to increase their chances of getting a role, because it's really hard for the entry level roles to get those roles at the moment, to land their first job, their first position. So highest in demand skills in the market right now. So shifting sharply towards LLM driven development. RAG AI, so retrieval augmented generation, is up 246%. That is huge. Prompt engineering is up 112%. LLM skills is 91%, and text analytics is up by 92%. These are massive. So these are key areas if you're in this field to add to your CV, tailor that, and then learn around that and build on what you've got, because those are really, really good areas that are growing and exploding at the moment. So if it's difficult to hire and you're kind of building out that skill set, you've just made yourself a lot more valuable, and then ultimately you'll be able to demand a lot more money in response, and you're more likely to land a role or a position. So these are all valuable points I've also added, as you see, insight into the inside the world of AI engineering talent, where I've listed which companies are increasing their headcount for AI engineers and what are the fastest growing skills amongst the AI engineers in the UK. Then I've got a few more graphs below, as you can see, on inside the fast growing market for AI engineering talent, understanding the shifting skill landscape for AI engineers, and understanding the skills that are shifting the priority for AI engineering talent. So financial services are leading the growth in AI engineering demand at the moment, as you may expect. And the key takeaways from this are the LLM application engineering, the new core. AI engineering jobs ads are shifting from generic skills to production-ready, responsive AI capabilities, and financial services industry are leading the growth in AI engineering demand. Now, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the newsletter, and look forward to delivering more key insights.